With economic uncertainty all around, it is essential for us to be financially savvy. So let me discuss with you my 5 favorite personal finance tips in today's environment. Before spending your income on expenses, make it a habit to set aside a portion for your future. By paying yourself first, you ensure that you're building wealth and creating a safety net for yourself.
We live in uncertain times. With the economy playing tricks on us, it is essential for us to have diverse income streams. Side hustles such as freelancing and consulting are recommended to go with your day job. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of consumerism and overspending, but living below your means is essential for your financial well-being.
Differentiate between needs and wants, and focus on budgeting and frugal habits.
Rather than trying to time the market or chase quick gains, focus on long-term investment strategies. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate to spread out risk. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and dedicating time to educate yourself about personal finance can have a profound impact on your financial well-being.
And for that, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel, 5 Archive. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent as achieving financial stability takes time. So why not start right away?